Welcome back once again. Let me show you that how I have built my own crypto payment gateway where I can take the payment, I can create the invoice, I can track the entire payment which I'm getting into my account. That's all I can manage. So right now you will find that this is the project we have built. It's our own internal crypto payment gateway. So right now I have logged into my dashboard and have already taken a couple of payment. So this application is divided in two parts. So we have this sidebar. You can see on overall we have all of these status. So right now I have taken the payment in Pol and I have taken in USDT. You can take the payment in USDC and you can create the invoice in which you can define that where you want to take the payment and in which currency you want to take the payments. And you will find that total success payment we have three. One is pending and one is expire, and here you will find the complete details about the payment. So what I will do, I'm going to create an invoice and I'm going to take the payment. I will scan the QR code and I will make the payment. So what I will do, I'll come back to my new payment and from here I can create the invoice. So what I will do, let's come back here and say gateway and you can set any price. So let's go, I will go with one Pol. So let me take the payment in native currency. So I'll select that one and I'll just go with one. Once you select all of these details, now you can create the invoice and user will scan and make the payment. So I'll click on this generate Pol QR payment invoice and it's going to generate. And right now you will find that I have this one. So all I have to do is to simply scan and make the payment. So my phone is ready and you can see you have two options. You can open up your camera and scan or you can open up your MetaMask. So I'll take my camera and I'm going to simply scan. Click on this open in my MetaMask. And it's going to open my MetaMask. And it will automatically going to fill out the entire transaction details. You will find that here I got the details and I have enough fund for making the transaction. You can see the fund I have to pay is one Pol, transactional cost, every single thing you will find. Now click on this confirm. The moment you will do the confirm, the transaction is processing. Once the transaction will complete, it will automatically verify and it will display that your transaction is got successful. So the transaction is successful and here we got it. If I click on this, it will take me to my block explorer and I can see the transaction details. Now, if I come back here, go back to the dashboard, then you will see the entire payment you have received. So I can click on that and you will find the payment got completed. In the same way, I can scan, I can make the payment in USDC. So let me take out my phone and let me quickly do that and show you how you can do it. So this is the one I'm going to do it. So again, I will take out my camera. I will scan the QR code, click on this open and it's going to open. And I have a little bit fund in my wallet for USDT and you will find that it's going to pull out all the details and you will see the crypto coin we are interacting. It's USDT. You will see all the details. Now click on this confirm and the transaction is going to be completed and I'm going to receive this fund in my wallet address. So just wait, the transaction is happening and once it will complete, it will say that the transaction is completed and we got it. Now you can click on this and you can see the transaction got completed and how much you have received. So I hope you have understood that what are the feature and functionality we have included, and it's a really powerful project. It has all the feature where you can launch your own crypto payment gateway where user will come and make the payment and do all the transaction. They can see the entire transaction they are getting. They can easily able to manage the entire portfolio. So I can simply click on the sign out and I would be, if I already have my account, I can simply give my credential and I can log in. But if I don't have my account, I can come back to the create account and I can create a new account. I can also come back to the landing page. So let me go back here. Remove this one, hit enter and you will find that I will come back here. And here you will find all the details about this landing page and all the information we are providing. So this one is a really powerful project where you have launched your own crypto payment gateway where you can take the payment in USDT in the stable coins and you can take in the native currency. So literally you can launch this project to any network. If you want to take on Ethereum, Binance, Avalanche, you can literally convert it and you can simply provide all the details and every single thing would be working fine. So all the resources is already given. I hope you guys have watched the main video. So you can come back to the blockchain coder, watch this video in which I have explained extensively that what exactly we have and how entire transaction will work and how you can able to scan and make the payment. So make sure to watch this in which you can able to know that how you can do the entire setup of this final source code in just 5 minutes. So this one is a really powerful project. I would highly encourage you to simply watch the full video, and this kind of project you have to include in a portfolio to build a stronger portfolio. And that way the user will know, okay, you have the understanding about this crypto ecosystem, how this payment gateway work exactly, how you will do the verification of the transaction, and that's all you will provide. So make sure to check that one. It's really powerful. So that's the only thing I want to give you a quick update about this project. I hope you have liked it. If you have any question, any doubt, just let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.